Yeah, checking in. You know it's a boy freelancer never on. Yeah, here on this beautiful day. Today's what? Today's Tuesday. Beautiful Tuesday, as I can see. Well, we might have some rain today in Jamaica. We might. God knows we long for that rain here in the island. Yeah, I'm home. I'm home today, and I'm just starting a new vlog where a new topic where it's like day in the life of a full-time trader, a trader that trades for a living, a Jamaican here in the Caribbean. So yeah, guys, I'm just basically gonna show you pretty much my day-to-day trading activities, the accounts that I'm managing, the current positions. Okay, because I believe at times persons only see the profit side of trading. They don't see the losses, and neither do they understand the risk that is involved in trading. So today I'm gonna basically, as I said, starting this new vlog. It's a day in the life of a full-time trader who trades for a living, and I'm gonna show you guys like live day-to-day stats, no capping. All right, so let's get it started. All right, so I'm gonna go to my MT4 account here. All right, so currently, as you guys can see, I'm trading a few pairs. Now this is a funded account, guys. All right, so this is a 50k funded account. So far I've passed evaluation one. I'm on to evaluation two, and yes, guys, I'm in a tailspin. You understand? As you guys can see, I have floating losses here. You know what I'm saying? Floating losses here, but for the day so far, I've managed to secure, that's like what, about $218, I believe. Yeah, so I managed to secure $218. So I'm a hedger, you know what I'm saying? So with my style of trading, I operate like a hedge fund where I buy and I sell simultaneously. I don't use a stop loss. I don't use a stop loss on my trades. But I do, and I don't use take profits either. I just manually close the positions. All right. So for today, I've secured this amount while I have this amount floating. As you guys can see, it's live data, nothing hiding, no cap on it. You know what I'm saying? That's a floating loss up top. All right. All right, and then I'm trading volatility index. That's the VIX 75. All right, so let me show you guys what's going on that account as well. All right, so this is my VIX account. Again, as you guys can see, I have floating losses on the account. All right, for today, so far I've closed that amount in profit, while I have this amount floating at the moment. So I'm gonna show you guys a step by step. So follow me on the journey as I not only mitigate these negative positions, but I literally show you guys on a day by day basis the truth in terms of what it is like when you're trading for a living here in Jamaica. All right, and it's not all about the flashy cars or the mansions. It's about the psychology, it's about the discipline, it's about the patience, it's about personal development along the journey. All right, so I'm not doing trading for today nor investments for today. This is what I want to do this is what I'm going to do for the rest of my life. All right, so, and I'm taking you guys on the journey. Feel free to ask any questions, feel free to give a shout out. And yeah, let me just say this: there'll be persons out there who's gonna say that I'm a scammer, or they have invested with me before and things didn't work out. That's it. Like, it's investment. You know what I'm saying? We all take risk. The difference is that and I blame myself, because in the beginning I was more so focusing on the profit side of trading, which I was telling my investors or my partners. I did not open their eyes to the risk and the potential loss of losing. It is said that never invest what you can't afford to lose, and pretty much that's past. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I had to speak about it because I know it is part of my journey, and I never gave up, I never quit, and I'm still here today, going strong. So again, this is day one. Join me on the journey. It's a boy freelancer never own. I'm out.